never saw you do that before, Cleo. Oh my goodness. Cleo. You two are so silly. You're so silly. Where are you, monkey? Anyway, guys, I wanted you to see, or hear actually, that at nighttime the birds are quiet. You don't hear them at all. A lot of people think that because I have 50 birds, how do you sleep? How can you live with all that noise? Well, as you see, everybody's playing, we're hanging out, and if you listen carefully, you will not hear a bird. Anyway, there you go. There you have it. You can own 50 birds and live in peace and quiet. Alright guys, later. Oh wait, maybe not. I love watching these two play. It's so cute. Alright guys, bye.